What do you got?
Hey guys, today we're at the Walmart. They had kind of a half restock. The first thing we got is this pretty cool Diora 2. I think there's only 2 per case. Then we got the McLaren Solus GT in orange and McLaren P1 and the 2020 Koenigsegg Just Go. Over here, we have another McLaren P1, but this one has a little bit of a broken card. You got a Mazda RX-7, Koenigsegg Just Go. We also have 2 Paganis right there. Mitsubishi Peugeot Dud and SVO. Pretty cool duck and roll. We also got another McLaren here. I don't know where it went. Got half the set of these neon speeders. Someone took the 4GT. That kind of sucks. Over there on the bin right there, there's 2 RX-7s and 1 McLaren. There's another P1. Actually, I do. I'm kind of blind. It is right here. So here is the P1. Look at that. This one isn't too beat up. This one's a little bit bent, but it's still actually pretty good. The corner is bent, so I will leave this for other collectors since this P1 is made. Pretty cool car. Ah man, I would have loved to get those 2 P1s, but I already got an extra one right here, and I already have like one of them already, so it's good enough. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. See ya.
Let me check on see.
13.
Alright, let's go.
I just got these. Diora, Solus, the P1. And the Just Go. I was thinking of getting the Mazda, but it's fine. I already have one. But yeah, that's what I got. What? It's a bag of chips. Diora.
Hey.
That's it.